welcome to Sprightly Kid, and today I'm going to be painting on these DIY Kawaii Squishies again. So this one is a little bunny head, and this is a little bear squishy. So let's get started. So first I'm going to paint this bunny. So I have an idea for this bunny. I decided I want to paint this bunny, the bunny from the Chu game. I decided that I just should start painting the details because it's already white. And I didn't need to paint on white with the white matte paint first before I can move on to the details because it's already white. So we can move on to the details now. You know what I mean? So we're going to start with the cheeks. I'm going to use red. So I'm going to start painting the cheeks of the bunny. So I'm just going to paint 2 round circles. Wait, that I painted on the cheeks, I'm going to start with the face, which is black. Okay. Okay, the face of the bunny is done, and now time to let this to dry. By the way, I still really like this, even though this is kind of to paint this bear. I decided that I'll paint a little sweater on it. So I decided to go for a light green. The front of the sweater is done. I'm gonna move on to the back. Well, I painted the front of the sweater off camera just because there's the arms going on, and in my opinion I think it's easier to paint around the hands without worrying about the camera. So yeah, I'll show you the sweater. Now that the base of the sweater is done, I'm gonna go in with a darker green and paint on the sleeves with that. Sleeves are done. I'm gonna start painting the shoes with the same dark green fabric paint. Dry. By the way, the shoes look very messy. Don't worry, I'll clean this up. I'll clean the shoes up after. I'm done with the bunny. All I have to do is attach this little keychain strap thing. Oops. The keychain strap is on and the bunny is done. Now that the body is done, I'm going to move on to the head. So I'm going to be painting on a hat with the same light green. So I'm first going to grab out a dotting tool and paint around the edges of the ears so that we don't get paint up. The light green on the hat is done. I'm going to move on to the dark green and start painting the rim around the hat. The rim of the hat is done. I'm going to start by painting on the inner ears with the pink. Now that the hat is done, I'm going to start with the face. But for the face, I'm actually going to use a different plan because I have these stickers for the faces that came in the squishy kit that I got. So I'm going to cut one of the stickers out for the face. I'll show you the sticker I cut out. It's a little bear face. I'm going to peel off the sticker from the paper, and then I'm going to attach it onto the little squishy. And this is done. This is complete. And now I'm going to attach this keychain strap onto this one also as well. And there. So this is the final result of my DIY Kawaii Squishies video. I'm painting on these again. So I really think that these are cute. I like how they came out, especially the bear and the bunny. I like these two. And surprisingly, I really like this bunny, the bunny from Chu video game. Even though it's kind of basic, and this is the back of it. Also, the bottom is kind of interesting. I like his butt somehow. And this is the bear. I really like how the shoes and the sweater and the hat came out, and I'm really glad that I finally got to use the tattoo things for the faces. I think it's a tattoo more than a sticker. So yeah, I'm really glad that I got to painting this. Painting on these things again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching Sprightly Kid, and remember to like and subscribe, and remember to be cute and creative. Bye.